how to change your Snapchat password on PC. This tutorial shows you how to update your Snapchat password using your Windows 11 browser. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows 11 PC. From there, go to accounts.snapchat.com by typing it into the address bar and pressing enter. At this point, log into your Snapchat account using your current username and password. From there, click on My Account once you are logged in. After that, scroll down and click on Password under the Login and Security section. In the next step, enter your current password in the first field to verify your identity. From there, type in your new password in the next field. Once done, re-enter the new password in the confirmation field to make sure it matches. Following this, click on Save or Submit to apply your new password. From here, you may be asked to log in again using your new password to confirm the change was successful. At this stage, if you have forgotten your current password, instead click on Forgot Password on the Snapchat login page. From there, enter your username, email, or phone number, and follow the steps to receive a reset link or code. Keep in mind, changing your password on the website will also update it across the Snapchat mobile app, so you will need to log in again on your phone using the new password as well. And that's it. If this guide helped you change your Snapchat password on PC, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.